welcome back to my video. This is me, here from iTech Everything, and today I have the solution for the Raspberry Pi 4 boot problem. So Raspberry Pi 4 refuses to boot. So now to fix this, we have two options. So one is the totally free one, but I'll tell you what is the issue, what occurs, and not only the problem but why it occurs. So let's get in the video. So first I will start from the base process. Format your SD card. You can download the same apps which I'm using on Windows as well, and just format and select the exact SD card and quick format it. I've already done that. Is go to raspberrypi.org/downloads. So you have to go here in Raspbian. So it's based on Debian Buster, which is a new thing, and you have to download this or this one. This is not of any use, this is just terminal version. So we just need any of these. This doesn't come with LibreOffice or Minecraft, this comes with all that. So that is what you have to note, and I would suggest going for the zip. Unzip it and then drag it over here or select that image, then select your SD card, then flash it. It will ask for your password. If you're on Windows, I don't know. Then after it's done, open that SD card. So for me it's boot, so I've opened it right here, as you can see. So you have to find for the file which is config.txt. Just go on to that, then find this part which says uncommented force specific HDMI mode. This will force 3GA. So that's for if you remove this hashtag or something is equal to 1, hashtag HDMI underscore mode is equal to 1. So now what you want to do is paste this. I will leave what I've pasted here down in the description, and you have to just write this, and if you don't understand how to copy, then you can just read and copy it. Just make sure you write the same thing and your problem should be solved. So you can try that, it totally works. It worked for me. So now I'll tell you what is the problem. So now I know, I can understand you, that you're using an adapter which converts micro with that adapter. That adapter causes this problem. That is not meant for this Raspberry Pi. It needs to be edited for it to work. If you want the paid version, which you don't need to do all this, just go to Amazon and buy a micro USB to HDMI cable. But instead of wasting money on both the adapter and wire, you can just use the adapter and continue by editing this. But yes, if you're a user who downloads a lot of operating systems like me, I would suggest that you go for the wire instead of this, because it's not easy to every time come here edit this. Like, if you really want to save money, so that's the option you should go for. And that's it. I'll put some clips, I might have shown it already, that about what was before and after. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This was a good tutorial and hope you enjoyed it. If you understood what you just saw, and if you liked the content, so give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. That would be totally appreciated. So that's me signing out.